Good morning, students. ಸೌಂಡ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ರು. Okay. So is it visible? ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ? So shall I start? Okay. So in the previous class we studied some examples on the first order and higher degree differential equation using solvable for P method, right? So let us see some more examples on the same solvable for P method. Okay, so solve the differential equation p square plus 2px minus 3x square is equals to 0. So the given differential equation is, so I will write here, so you can start with the given differential equation is p square plus 2px minus 3x square is equals to 0. This is our given differential equation. So now I have to write down in terms of a factor, right? So first simplify this to get the roots using the factorization method. So we know the multiplication should be minus 3 and sum should be positive 2. So minus 3 x square into p square is 3 ones are 3. So positive 3, negative is minus 1 into px. So now right here the factors are p square plus 3px minus px minus 3x square is equals to 0. Okay, so now take p common over here, so we get p plus 3x. So now here take minus x as a common, so remaining terms are p plus 3x is equals to 0. Okay, so now product of two terms is equals to 0. So p plus 3x and p minus x is equals to 0. So these two are equals to 0 means this one is equals to 0 and this one is equals to 0. So now we equate each factor is equals to 0, that is p plus 3x is equals to 0 and p minus x is equals to 0. Okay, so in the next term we have to replace p by dy by dx. Okay, so now dy by dx is equals to, take 3x to the right hand side, so it will become negative minus 3x, and the second term dy by dx is equals to positive x. So now separate the variables. ಯಾರದು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವೈಷ್ಣವಿ ಏನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? So see here, now separate the variables using variable separable method. So y terms come to the left hand side and x term come to the right hand side. So dy is equals to minus 3x into dx, and in the second term dy is equals to x into dx. Now integrate on both the sides. So you will get integration of dy is equals to integration of minus 3x into dx. So integration of dy is y is equals to minus as it is. So 3 into integration of x is x square divided by 2 plus constant of integration is c. Okay. So now here in the second term, integration of dy is equals to integration of x into dx. So integration of dy is y is equals to x is x square by 2 plus constant as a c2. So give it as a c1 and c2. So now take 2 as a LCM here. So you will get minus 3x square plus 2 is multiply with the c1. So it will become 2c1. So y is equals to minus 3x square plus 2c1 divided by 2. So here same, take 2 as a LCM. So you will get x square plus 2c2 divided by 2. So y is equals to x square plus 2c2 divided by 2. So see here, now this one is important. So I am taking 2c1 as a capital C. Okay. So I am taking 2c1 as a C. So C is the arbitrary constant. So I think you have seen in the steps of that solvable for P method, C1 is equals to C2 is equals to and so on is equals to capital C. All together we can take as a capital C. So we are taking arbitrary constant C is equal to capital C. I am denoting 2C1 as a C. So TC1 is equal to 2C2 is equal to 2C3 and so on. I am denoting it as a capital C. So I am taking 2C1 as a capital C. So now multiply y into 2 is 2y, cross multiplication. 2y is equal to minus 3x square plus capital C. 2C1 I am taking as a capital C. So now take minus 3x square plus c in the left hand side. So it will become 2y plus 3x square minus c is equal to 0. So this is our first factor. So see the next term. So multiply 2 into y is equals to 2y is equals to x square. I am taking 2c2 as a capital C over here. So 2y minus x square minus c is equals to 0 is the second factor. Now combine these two equations, you will get the required general solution. So 2y plus 3x square minus c and 2y minus x square minus c is equals to 0 is our the required general solution of the given differential equation. So artha aitalla. So here first you have to find the factorizations using the factorization method, factors using the factorization method. Now separate the variables, then apply the integration here, then we are taking 2c1 is equals to c, then substitute wherever c 2c1 is there, substitute there as a c and find the solution of the equation. So artha aitalla. So see the next example. ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ. ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, ಇವಾಗೇನು ಬರ್ಕೊಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. Solve the differential equation. So differential equation is given here. P square minus 2p cos hx plus 1 is equals to 0. So you can start with writing given equation is, so given equation is p square minus 2p cos hx plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay. So now I have to write down in terms of a factors. So before that we have to substitute the value of cos hyperbolic x. So cos hx formula is e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2. So this one is important. You have to remember this one. Cos hyperbolic x. Cos hx formula is e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2. So I will substitute here p square minus 2 into p. So cos hx is e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2 plus 1 as it is equals to 0. So now 2 get cancels here. So now open the bracket. So p square p into e power x minus plus minus p into e power minus x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now take p common over here. So remaining term is p minus e power x. So now here in these two terms take e power minus x as a common. So you will get p plus minus is minus. So e power minus x term is not here. So it goes to the denominator divided by, it will become divided by 1 divided by e power minus x is equals to 0. So the common term which you have taken, ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡಿರುವಂತ ಕಾಮನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಗಿವನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ a plus 1 ಇತ್ತು. If you take a as a common here, so what is remaining? 1 plus 1 divided, a term is not there, so it will become in the denominator 1 divided by a. So common ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. So see here, now p into p minus e power x minus e power minus x, p minus, take e power minus x in the numerator. So it will become e power positive x. E power minus x is there. So if it goes to the numerator side, so it will become positive. E power positive x is equals to 0. So now you can write product of two terms, that is p minus e power x and p minus e power minus x is equals to 0. So now take each factor is equals to 0. So product of two terms is equals to 0. Now you can equate each factor is equals to 0, that is p minus e power x is equals to 0 and p minus e power minus x is equals to 0. So now substitute dy by dx wherever p is there. Okay. So we know p stands for dy by dx. So p is equals to dy by dx. So dy by dx, replace dy by dx in the place of a p. So dy by dx is equals to minus e power x goes to the right hand side. So it will become positive e power x, and the second term dy by dx is equals to e power minus x. So now use this variable separation method. So x term come to the left hand side, so right hand side, and y terms come to the left hand side. So dy is equals to e power x into dx, and here dy is equals to e power minus x into dx. Now integrate on both the sides. So integration of dy is equals to y is equals to integration of ex is ex. E power x is e power x plus constant of integration is capital C. So now integration of dy is y is equals to e power minus x is minus e power minus x plus C, constant of integration. Okay. So now take the terms to the left hand side. So y minus e power x minus c is equals to 0, and y plus e power minus x minus c is equals to 0 is our required terms. Now combine these two equations, y minus e power x minus c and y plus e power minus x minus c is equals to 0 is our required complete solution of the given differential equation. Okay. So here we are substituting. ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ cos hx. Cos hx formula is e power x plus e power x. So you have to remember this one, e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2 then find the factors of a two variables, then product of two variable is equals to 0, then equate the individual factors is equals to 0, then use the separation of variables, apply the integration method and find the general solution of the equation. So this completes your second problem. So see the next example. So third example is, so solve the differential equation. So one differential equation is given here, xy p square plus p into 3x square minus y square minus 6xy is equals to 0. So we know that this is the quadratic equation, right? This is the quadratic equation in P. So here we cannot factorize, right? So this is the one of the quadratic equation in P, which is in the form of a ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay, so this is in the form of a ax square bx. So this term is a, so this is b, and this term is c, in the form of a ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So factors are not visible here. We cannot find the factors of this given differential equation. So you have to use the formula, quadratic equation formula, which is minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Sridhar's rule anta ಕೇಳಿರಬಹುದು ನೀವು. So quadratic equation formula is p is equals to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. We have to use this formula for solving the given differential equation. So I will write here the given quadratic equation is xy p square plus p into 3x square minus 2y square minus 6xy is equals to 0. This is the given function. Okay. So now write the formula, p is equals to minus b. So here xy is a. So 3x square minus 2y square is b, and minus 3xy is c. Okay. So formula is minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here b is 3x square minus 2y square plus or minus root b square, that is 3x square minus 2y square whole square minus 4 into a is xy and c is minus 6 into xy. Okay. So divided by 2 into a is x into y. So now minus 3, open the bracket, minus 3x square minus minus plus 2y square plus or minus root. So use the a minus b whole square formula here. Okay, so this is in the form of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2. A is 3x square, b is 2y square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So minus minus plus here. 6 4s are 24. X into y is x square into y square. Okay. So divided by 2xy as it is. So now I will write 3x square plus 2y square plus or minus root. So see here. So 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. 12 x square into y square. So minus 12 x square into y square plus 24 x square into y square is positive plus 12 x square into y square. Okay. So plus 3x square whole square plus 2y square whole square as it is. So 24x square y square minus 12x square y square is plus 12x square into y square divided by 2x into y. Okay. So now minus 3x square plus 2y square plus or minus So see here, this is in the form of a plus b whole square formula. Okay, so a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12 x square into y square. So I will write here 3x square plus 2y square whole square. So this is the a plus b whole square formula. So divided by 2x into y as it is. Okay, so now so here square and root get cancelled. Okay, so remaining term is 3x square plus 2y square plus or minus square and root get cancelled. Remaining term is 3x square plus 2y square divided by 2x into y as it is. Okay, so now we get the two factors, that is one is positive and another one is negative. So I will write here p is equals to minus 3x square plus 2y square plus 3x square plus 2y square divided by 2xy. This is the one term, and second factor is minus 3x square plus 2y square minus 3x square plus plus 2y square divided by 2x into y. So now we will solve one by one. So first we will solve the positive term. So we know that p stands for dy by dx. So dy by dx is equals to, so positive 3x square, negative 3x square get cancelled. So remaining term is 2y square. 2y square is 4y square divided by 2xy. So 1y get cancels here. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. So remaining term is 2y divided by x. So now using the variable separation method, so take the y term to the left hand side. So dy is equals to, so dy by y is equals to 2 dx by x. Okay, so now apply the integration. So dy by y is log y is equals to 2, as it is dx by x is log x plus constant of integration log c. Okay, so log y is equals to, use the log m power n formula. Okay, so log m power n is n log m. Okay, so log x square, so it log, so 2 log x becomes 2 log x square plus log x as it is. So log y is equals to, so take the log x square term to the left hand side. So it will become negative log x square is equals to log x as it is. So log m by n formula is log m minus log n. So I will write here m by n, that is y by x square is equals to log c. So log get cancels here. So remaining term is y by x square is equals to c. So now using the cross multiplication, y is equals to x square into c. So y take the terms to the left hand side. So it will become y minus x square into c is equals to 0 is our first factor. Okay. So now solve the second factor. P is equals to minus 3x square plus 2y square. Now open the bracket. So it will become minus 3x square plus 2y square minus 3x square, positive into negative is negative 2y square divided by 2x into y. So here positive 2y square and negative 2y square get cancelled. So remaining term is minus 3x square minus 3x square is minus 6x square divided by 2x into y. So here one term x and x get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So remaining term is minus 3x divided by y. So we know p is dy by dx. So now using the variable separable method, so it will become, using the cross multiplication, y into dy is equals to minus 3x into dx. Now using the integration, solve the equation, integration of y dy and integration of 3x into dx. So y dy is y square divided by 2 is equals to minus 3 as it is, x is x square divided by 2 plus constant of integration capital C. Okay. So now y square divided by 2. So here minus 3 as it is, we are taking 2 as a LCM here. So it will become minus 3x square plus 2 into c. Okay. So you can take 2c1 also, minus plus 2 into c1. Okay. So now here 2 and 2 get cancelled. So remaining terms are y square is equals to minus 3x square plus 2 into c1. So as in the earlier problem, we have written 2c1 as a capital C. So I am writing here where 2c1 is equals to c. So I am taking 2c1 as a capital C. So I will write here y square is equals to minus 3x square plus capital C. Now take the terms to the left hand side. So it will become y square plus 3x square minus c is equals to 0 is our second factor. Now combining these two equations, we will get y minus x square into c and y square plus 3x square minus c is equals to 0 is our required solution. Okay. So ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಮು? Okay. So see the last example of the first order and higher degree using the solvable for P method. So given differential equation is P square plus 2py cot x is equals to y square. Okay. So here we cannot find the factors over here. Okay. So we have to add and subtract y square into cot square x in the given equation. So you can solve the given differential equation. So we cannot find the factors over here in this given function. So we are adding and subtracting. So you have to remember this one. We are adding and subtracting y square into cot square x in the given equation to get the solution of it. So I will write here p square given equation is p square plus 2p into y into cot x is equals to y square. So we are adding and add and subtract y square into cot square x is x in the equation. So we get p square plus 2py into cot x plus y square into cot square x minus y square into cot square x minus y square is equals to 0. Okay. So now see here, these terms, three terms are in the form of a plus b whole square. So I will write here a plus a is p here, p plus y cot x whole square. So you can write these terms in terms of a plus b whole square. That is a square plus b square plus 2ab is equals to, take the term to the right hand side of the equation. So it will become positive. So y square plus y square cot square x. Okay. So now write p plus y cot square x as it is equals to, take y square common over here. So y square remaining term is 1 plus cot square x. So if you remove the square here, so it will become under root. So if it goes to the right hand side, it will become plus or minus under root of y square into 1 plus cot square x. So I will write here plus or minus. So plus or minus under root of y square 1 plus cot square x is cosec square x. So I think you know, all of you know, 1 plus cot square x is equals to cosec square x. So y square as it is into cosec square x. So now plus or minus as it is. So square and root get cancelled. So remaining term is y into cosec x. So p plus y cot x. So we are removing the square from here. So p plus y cot x is equals to plus or minus y into cosec x. So now p is equals to, take the y cot x term to the right hand side, so it will become negative y cot x plus or minus y cosec x. Okay, so now we get the two equations. So first we write the first equation, that is p is equals to minus y cot x plus y cosec x, and the second term p is equals to minus y cot x minus y cosec x. Okay, so now we will solve one by one. P is equals to minus y cot x plus y into cosec x. So now write p is equals to dy by dx. So p is dy by dx is equals to, take y from both the sides and take y common from the both the terms. So you will get minus cot x plus cosec x. So take y common, remaining term is minus cot x plus cosec x is equals to, so now separate the variables, dy by y is equals to minus cot x plus cosec x into dx. So now integrate the functions on the both the sides. So dy by integration of dy by y, integration of minus cot x plus cosec x into dx. So integration of dy is log y is equals to integration, so minus as it is, so we know cot x is cos by sin. Okay, so cot x is cos x by sin x plus cosec x is 1 divided by sin x. So 1 by sin is cosec. So 1 by sin x is cosec x dx as it is. So now here take sin x as a LCM here. So we will get 1 minus cos x. Take sin x LCM. So remaining term is 1 minus cos x into dx as it is. So I will write log y as it is. So 1 minus cos x formula is, so here both yaradru, what is 1 minus cos x? Yes, 2 sin square x by 2, not only x. So 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. So sin x formula is 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 into dx. So integration as it is, 2 get cancelled. So one sin and another sin get cancelled. Remaining term is sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. So sin by cos is tan. So integration of tan x by 2 into dx. So see here, integration of a tan ax formula is log sec ax divided by a. So this is the important formula, you have to remember this one. So integration of tan ax formula log sec ax divided by a. So here a is 1 divided by 2. Okay, so a is 1 divided by 2. So now I will write here log y as it is equals to log sec a is 1 by 2 and x as it is, that becomes x by 2 divided by a is 1 by 2. So take 1 by 2 in the numerator, so it will become 2. 2 log sec x by 2 log y as it is. Okay, so log y is equals to plus constant of integration is log c. So now use log m power n formula. So log m power n is n log m. So it will become log x square x by 2. Okay, so here 2 is n log m. Okay, so plus log c as it is. So log y is equals to, so log a plus log b is log a into b, that is c into sec square x by 2. Okay, so apply the log a plus b formula, that is log a into b, c into sec square x by 2 log y as it is. So now log get cancels. So remaining term is y is equals to c sec square x by 2. Y is equals to c sec square x by 2. Now take the term to the left hand side, so it will become y minus c sec square x by 2 is equals to 0. This is our first equation. Give it as a equation number 1. So artha aitalla in the first term only. So see here. So apply the cot x formula. Cot is cos by sine, cosec is 1 by sine. Cosec x is 1 by sine x. 1 by sine is cosec. So now log y, apply the integration of now take sine as a LCM sine, so it will become 1 minus cos x as it is into dx. So 1 minus cos x formula is 2 sine square x by 2. So sin x formula is 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. So here 2 and sin get cancelled, remaining terms are sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. So sin by cos is tan x by 2. So the formula integration of a tan ax formula is log sec x divided by a. So you have to remember this one. So remaining terms are log y is equals to log as it is sec ax is x by 2 here. So x by 2 divided by a is 1 by 2. So now it will become 2 take to the numerator 2 into log sec x by 2 plus constant of integration log y as it is. So apply log m power n formula. So it will become log sec square x by 2 plus log c. So now apply log a plus b formula, log a plus log b. Log a into b is log a plus log b, that is c into sec square x by 2. So now log get cancels. So remaining terms are y is equals to c sec square x by 2. So now take the term to the left hand side. So it will become y minus c sec square x by 2 is equals to 0. So solve the second term, which is similar to the first term. So here t is dy by dx. So dy by dx is equals to, take y common over here. So I will take minus y common here. So remaining terms are cot x plus cosec x. So now minus y. So we know. So cot x is cos x divided by sin x plus cosec x is 1 divided by sin x into dx. So first you have to apply the variable separable method. So dy divided by, I will write here, dy divided by y is equals to minus as it is. So minus plus cot x plus cosec x into dx. So apply the integration of dy by y, integration of minus cot x plus cosec x into dx. So now integration of minus cot x is cos x by sin x. Cot is cos by sin, cosec is 1 by sin. 1 by sin is cosec x into dx as it is. So now minus as it is, integration of take sin x as a LCM here. So remaining terms are 1 plus cos x into dx. So take LCM, sin x as a LCM here. So remaining terms are 1 plus cos x. Now dy by y is log y. Integration of dy by y is log y minus as it is, integration of 1 plus cos x formula is 2 cos square x by 2. So you have to remember 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. So please don't confuse, 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2, 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. So now sin x formula is 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 into dx is equals to 2 get cancels, 1 cos and another cos get cancelled, remaining terms are cos x by 2 and sin x by 2. So cos by sin is cot x by 2 into dx. So cos by sin is cot x by 2 into dx. So here integration of a cot ax formula is log sin ax divided by a. So this one is important formula. Integration of a cot ax is equals to logarithm of a sin ax divided by a. So I will write here log y is equals to log, so minus as it is, so in log sin a is 1 by 2. So I will write x as it is divided by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So log y is equals to minus as it is 2 log sin x by 2. So use log m power n formula. So minus log sin square x by 2. So log y as it is plus constant of integration log c. So now, so log y is equals to minus, so now take the minus log sin square x by 2 to the left hand side. So it will become positive log sin square x by 2 is equals to log c. Okay, so now you can apply the log a formula. Log y into sin square x by 2 is equals to log c. So now log get cancels. So remaining terms are y into sin square x by 2 is equals to c. Now take c to the left hand side. So it will become y sin square x by 2 minus c is equals to 0 is the our second function. Now combining these two equations, first equation and second equation. So you will get y minus c sec square x divided by 2 and y into sin square x by 2 minus c is equals to 0 is our required general solution. So this completes our solving using the solvable for method P for the first order and higher degree differential equations. So any doubt up to here? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ವೇಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವೇಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ? ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಂಡ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು ನಿನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೊನ್ನೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ? ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್, ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಹಾರ್ಡ್ಲಿ 60ಲಿಂದ 70 ಜನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿ. ಇರಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಟುಮಾರೋ.